What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see, Shiba Inu is now falling out of the support line. But anyways, it's definitely good that we met this new resistance here. But now it looks like we're falling out of it. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull and Public.com. And also leave a comment and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. So let's go straight over Shiba Inu. As you can see right here, Shiba Inu was passing this resistance here, but now we're kind of going back down. It looks like Shiba Inu did not have much of that run, but we may have some more potential to continue to rise. This may be the start of a new uptrend. Let's be completely honest. What if Shiba Inu did something like this and just went on a complete uptrend like this? This is completely possible, and I definitely believe Shiba Inu can do it. So let's definitely have faith inside Shiba Inu, because I have faith in Shiba Inu. But anyways, let's go over this technical analysis. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But Shiba Inu price analysis. Shiba coin expecting 30% upward rally. So this is actually really good news here. So the Shiba coin price is at an upward trend of around 3.2% during the intraday trading session. The 24-hour trading volume is at $271 million right now. So the daily technical chart and price action of Shiba coin presents a downward trend according to the pivot levels, and the initial support level is the 0.000000 bunch of zeros 64107. So on another view, if it races up, the resistance level to watch is the 8577 area. So although the chart creates a doji candlestick pattern within the day, it is foretold that the price may continue sideways with the dependability. So anyways, up here is where they say our next line of resistance will be, and that is all the way up here, 864, somewhere up there. When we go up by 30%, is going to lead us somewhere around there. So we're going to have a lot happening with Shiba Inu here inside the future. So I definitely believe we'll reach this at our resistance. Now, over here it says, as the Ichimoku cloud is composed of lead 1 and lead 2 with a displacement value of 1, it operates as a leading indicator and pivot level of asset price changes. Investors can witness the price break below the green Moku cloud, as they said. Now down here, the volume of 125 is below the MA of 20 days. Blah, 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 blah. More technical stuff. But down here is the big statement. So today's price of Shiba Inu is the 717 area, and the 24-hour trading volume at $271 million. The price of Shiba has risen 3.2%. So it has 500 billion Shiba coins, blah, 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 totaling 1 trillion. The MACD indicator shows a sell signal, they're saying. Why are they saying a sell signal? I don't know. And the traders have guided low volume, they say. So technically, the price struggles at the pivot zones. So anyways, they're saying that we have low trading volume. So there's sell signals being sent here with Shiba Inu. We have that resistance level of 8577. We have the support level of 64107. So if we cannot continue on this uptrend here, what they're saying is we're going to go all the way down to this level right here if we cannot keep going on this uptrend. But if this uptrend continues to go, then inevitably we're going to end up right up around here, and it's probably going to be somewhere around this time around here. So I definitely could see Shiba Inu being around here within the next maybe few days, week or something, if we continue on an uptrend. That means if we continue to go up on this uptrend right here and we have some kind of growth like this, this could possibly happen. But if people keep selling Shiba Inu, if Shiba Inu does not have enough trading volume, like they said, then we're going to inevitably go down all the way down to this level here. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But right now, the looks of it, it looks like that's where it's heading if we do not get enough trading volume. So we need more people trading Shiba Inu. We need more money flowing through Shiba. But anyways, Shiba was ranked 50. Now it's ranked 49, up 3% in the last 24 hours. So I guess this is something good for Shiba. I guess so. But, you know, we definitely need to knock out one of these zeros. We just definitely need to continue to rise with Shiba, because this is unacceptable. But anyways, Shiba Inu is a long-term hold. You know, we know that it's not some get rich overnight type thing. But anyways, let's move on to our next thing with Shiba Inu. So as you can see here, we have 647,000 holders now with Shiba Inu. That's 647,365. Go ahead and hit that refresh button, and then you get 647,374. So yeah, about 9 people just now invested in Shiba Inu within the last, I would say, 5 minutes. I think we've been on here for about 5 minutes. So somewhere around 5 minutes, people have invested inside of Shiba Inu. Now, the next thing with Shiba Inu right here, a lot of people have been gaining more and more Shiba Inu. And one of those people, not necessarily people, but organizations, is crypto.com. So crypto.com has been, just upping their sheep for the longest time, since all the way back here, since May, they've been upping the amount of sheep that they had. And slowly but surely, their sheep has been increasing. So they definitely see some potential with sheep inside of the near future. Because, I mean, look at how many different sheep tokens they have. Like, this is a lot of sheep. So they definitely see some value in it. $280 million total coming out to, this is million, billion, trillion. They have 39 trillion sheep. 39 trillion. Remember, Shiba Inu, there's only about 397 trillion sheep inside, or 394 trillion. Actually, if you look over here, it tells you right here 394 trillion Shiba coins are inside of circulation, meaning that over here, crypto.com has a lot of sheep. You just think about that. 39 sheep, there's 394 sheep circulating. So that's a lot of sheep that they have. But anyways, I said sheep so much in like the last 10 minutes. So it's like giving me tongue twister right now. But anyways, sheep is going to the moon. So as you can see here, crypto.com investing in sheep. We have all these different investors going into sheep. We have the whole Shiba Inu technical analysis that we just now did. So that kind of sums up all the news today for sheep. But I do want to say one more thing. One thing about Shiba Inu is that it doesn't have the same kind of push that Dogecoin has. And I want to say this because I really believe in Shiba Inu, but there's a huge difference between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is like, Dogecoin is the top Doge, right? It's the top Doge. It's the number one being coin. This is where all of this has started, and then Shiba Inu is like ranked number two. Shiba Inu is right after Dogecoin. But the problem is that a lot of people are surrounding Dogecoin, like Vitalik Buterin, Elon Musk. We have the whole Doge Foundation. Dogecoin has a literal foundation of billionaires that uplift it. And that's something you got to think about. Shiba Inu needs the same. So whether someone like Mark Cuban comes into Shiba Inu, because we know Mark Cuban is with Dogecoin, like Dogecoin literally has multiple billionaires backing it. So like we need multiple billionaires backing Shiba Inu too. Not just millionaires, but billionaires. We need to see billionaires behind sheep, because that's when we see huge growth. But yeah, Dogecoin just has so many different billionaires. I mean, if we go over and look at the Dogecoin rich list, all of the people holding the top Dogecoins, like look at this: $10 billion, $1.5 billion, $1.4 billion, $1.2 billion. Like that's a lot of money there. But then when you look at the same thing for Shiba Inu, it's like it doesn't even compare. Let's be completely honest. Let's go back over to the Sheep Ether scan so then we could actually look at that. Because look at this: $1.5 billion, $1.2 billion, 555 million, 520 million. But then whenever you go and look at the top Shiba Inu whales, the top Shiba Inu whales are not touching it at all. Like, yes, this top wallet right here is the burn wallet. So the 2.9 million or 2.9 billion in this burn wallet does not matter. Right here is the Shiba Swap liquidity down here, 519 million. Look at that. 519 million inside of this. That's a lot, yeah, but that's not an actual like wallet. That's not a person. And then right here, this is probably another exchange, 498 million, 418 million. But where are the actual whales, the individual people that actually invest into Shiba Inu, that actually have money in Shiba Inu? That's the difference between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Some of these up here are individual people holding big amounts of Dogecoin, large amounts of Dogecoin here. Like so much Dogecoin that is crazy. Like look at this. We have the top wallet at 10.9 billion. That's more than the whole market cap of sheep. We just need more bigger whales inside of sheep, but whales that don't manipulate the sheep market. Because we got to be completely honest, it kind of looks like sheep is getting manipulated sometimes. Like it goes up, gets right back down, goes up, goes right back down. It's like sheep keeps doing this same exact thing. It starts to pump, and then people start to sell out of it. So we just need to see these whales that are inside of sheep for the long run. Because like, look at this. This looks really manipulated. Someone else inside the Shibarmy on Twitter actually mentioned this too. Like, look at it. It goes, it's almost like a pattern here. Like a pattern that you just can't miss. Like it just starts to dump, and then it starts to pump again. The second it starts to pump, it starts to dump again. It starts to pump again, and then it starts to dump again, it starts to pump again, dumping again. And now it looks like it's starting to pump a little bit. But yeah, we may continue to dump on this. But yeah, it looks like Shiba Inu is being manipulated a little bit, so we definitely need to stop that. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, just kind of showing my opinions on sheep, of the technical analysis and where Shiba Inu is going. I definitely believe Shiba Inu is not dead. It has a lot of potential. But yeah, we are going to knock out one of these zeros soon, but I can't say that 100%. So yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advice. It's not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.